In this video, I want to take a look at the AI prompt function and see what we can do with it. In the previous video, I transcribed some audio file into text, I put it in an attachment, and also into a multiple lines of text field. Now this doesn't look too good. So what I want to do is add some additional formatting, and especially I want to add timestamps. So let's see how I did that. On this step, where I am currently in, I have two paths that both loop around into the same step, add timestamps and add summary. Let's take a look at add timestamps first. So on this path, I have an action, or rather an automation, where I have an action called change value of a single field, and the value that I will enter into this field will be based on the AI prompt function. Let's take a look. So I'm modifying the same field, transcribed text, and the AI prompt is to get the attachments, so the transcribed file and the original audio file, and I have some prompt that I stored in a process constant. You could type directly into here, but if you have a very long prompt, then the text here will not look too good. So I decided to put it in a process constant, but you could also put it in like a technical field or something. Let's take a look at this prompt. It's this one here. So I would like to add timestamps to the transcribed text field, put them in parentheses, don't modify the actual text, make sure the timestamp appears before the text which it refers to because it liked to put it at the end of it, and also make sure that each timestamp begins from a new line. Let's see if it works. Alright, and it seems to have worked quite okay. About 5 minutes of text transcribed and with timestamps added. The other use that I have found for the AI prompt is to actually add summaries. Now yes, there is a function called AI text summary, which does exactly that. It summarizes a piece of text, like for example one from a form field, but the AI prompt allows us to specifically fish for some information or analyze some aspect of the text. So let's take a look. Here I will use another prompt, this summary prompt, also a process constant, and I want to evaluate which part of the transcript has the highest word per minute count and which part has the lowest. So basically I would like to know which part of the transcript is most information dense, and also I'm telling it don't add markdown formatting because it loves to do that for some reason. Alright, let's take a look at the action. It's the same exact idea, but this time it's the other one here, add summary, on the path add summary, and here I tell it to modify this transcription summary field, which is a field that's hidden by a form rule if it's empty, which is why we couldn't see it, and same story, AI prompt, we tell it to look in the transcribed text, and then I tell it to look at my process constant where I have my summary prompt. Let's take a look and see if it works. So here I'm going to add the summary. And here is what it came up with. The cool thing is that I can press this add summary again and again to get a slightly different summary each time, but the idea is that it tells me where the highest and where the lowest word per minute count is, and also which part is the most information dense. And here is another version of the same summary.
Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the Quick Tips playlist or sign up for the full course at academy.webcon.com.